Is your localized VST audio sample manifest apps not working because of the sq8rom synthesizer DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support specialist, and I'll help you re-register that library and end the crashes. While preparing the manual steps for sq8rom synthesizer, check the description for a tool that assists with background library management. This is the sq8rom synthesizer, the core library for the sq8rom virtual synthesizer, based on the Ensoniq sq80. It manages the localized wavetable synthesis and oscillator modeling. If missing, producers will find their DRO reports, plugin failed to load, and channels using this retro synth will be silent. Now that the technicals are covered, let's run the official installer. The presence of sq8rom synthesizer DLL is mandatory for localized VST/audio sample manifest to initialize the engine, and a full reinstallation of your main application suite. With the error, we'll resolve the error by deploying a fresh copy of the library. When a standard reinstall doesn't cut it, we move to advanced diagnostic steps to ensure the system is properly configured. A full system restart clears the temporary memory cache and allows Windows to attempt a fresh initialization of all required libraries, including sq8rom synthesizer. Before you reboot, make sure to bookmark this video or click the like button so you can easily find your way back to the next step once your PC is back up and running. Since the restart didn't reset the service, we'll manually trigger the refresh now. If you need to pause the video anytime during these instructions, go ahead. Because the initial reinstall failed, you must verify the structural integrity of your software, and you should run the repair option within the application setup menu. This forces the system to compare your local DLL file against the official version and replace any data that is found to be truncated or damaged. Why are we doing this? Well, files inside application directories can become corrupted during a failed update, and integrity checks are designed to specifically target and fix these silent file errors. Before you proceed, let's touch on the essential safety standards for handling shared library files. Technical warning: many online file mirrors provide versions of sq8rom synthesizer DLL that are either corrupted or intentionally modified, putting your privacy at risk without resolving the underlying execution error. To reduce technical overhead while maintaining high security, here is a professional method for managing system-level file health. For users seeking a more stable Windows experience, the link below references a cleanup utility related to sq8rom synthesizer and system libraries. If this diagnostic helped you resolve sq8rom synthesizer error, please like the video and subscribe for more technical insights and system stability tips.